congratulations. This place is beautiful.
Thank you.
The design is outstanding. It's super modern, super warm, family friendly.
Yep. So when you order one of our beers, the bartender will actually go to the tank that beer is in and pour the beer right off the tank. So we work with a designer, a fabricator, to design faucets that are mounted directly onto the tank.
Can't get any fresher than that.
Can't get any fresher than that.
And then what are the styles of beer that you guys are known for?
We brew everything across the entire beer style spectrum. There's nothing better than pairing beer with pizza. We have a wood-fired pizza oven in there, and we do Neopolitan style inspired pizzas.
Okay.
Chef has 11 or 12 different pizzas on the menu. Each of them are great. I think our best seller is our arugula prosciutto, but we also offer other handhelds like burgers and sandwiches.
What do you want people to know about Beverly, and why should they come and visit Open Outcry?
I want people to toss aside the national narrative of what they think about the South Side, because it's not productive, and frankly, it's just not true. There are real problems on the South Side, but our neighborhood and this part of the city over here is a family-oriented neighborhood. I think what we've seen recently is a little bit more of a reinvestment and a reinterest in the South Side and Western Avenue in general. It's a great neighborhood, a great community, and it's a community that supports its local businesses.
Wintertime, no problem here at Open Outcry, because they've got these awesome heated igloos on the roof deck. Are you having a good time?
Yes, absolutely.
You're warm enough.
Yeah, definitely.
And then you can do all that trash talking. You can throw all that shade because nobody can hear you. What kind of reception have you gotten from the Beverly community?
This neighborhood has bent over backwards to support us, to patron our business. And because of that, myself and the entire staff here, we have a ton of gratitude for that. It's been amazing.